Yo, what up guys? Different kind of video today actually. We are going to be unboxing a little something. This is from Raycon. They have sponsored me to do a video reviewing their earbuds. And as you guys know, or may know if you watch the streams quite often, is I like to use earbuds whenever I play at all. I don't like headsets, they're not big chunky things. So when they reached out, I was pretty excited. So we're going to unbox this and see what we've got inside. Obviously the labels will turn off because got my address and stuff on it. We're only giving you that, but otherwise we're going to take a look in this, have a look at the product, and give an overall review of them for today. So Raycon, thank you for sponsoring the video, of course, and let's get these opened and tested out, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna unbox this now and see what how it looks all inside, see what the packaging and whatnot. Let's take a look. So we're gonna open it up along here nice and carefully, and that should hopefully be enough to get inside now. Pull the tape open. So inside here we have another 2 boxes, it looks like. Let's get this again, just over here. There we go. So as you can see, there's 2 boxes inside this package. The first one here is the Raycon Everyday Earbuds, very nicely packaged there with the nice little shiny box. And again here we have the Raycon Everyday Protective Case. Very nice. Right, we're going to open these up and see exactly what we have inside so you can have a good look. So we're going to start off with these ones, which is the actual earbuds themselves, and we'll get to the protective case afterwards. And then we can just pull this, I think. Yes, okay. Oh, upside down. Whoops. It would make sense to open it with this way, to be honest. And it says power up. Nice. Okay. So, and then in here, I picked the forest green version, but you're going to be able to see on screen the actual options that you do have to choose from. And these come in a nice little foam protected case here, which is very nice. This is a nice little matte color, as you can see. These look pretty nice, man. Very nice. Let's see the opening here. With a nice little flick there that you can, I don't know if you can hear it, maybe. That's pretty good. Snaps shut. Beautiful. So we have those. Got the earbuds here. Nice. Let's have a look what else is in the box here. So in the box we have the charging cable and some replacement earbuds as well. So we're going to open up the charging cable just to have a quick look. So let's have a look at this. All right, so these are in fact USB-C charged, so they will charge pretty quickly, I would assume. They also have wireless charging as well, I do believe, so we'll have a go with that too. But the charge port is just there on the bottom for the case. Pretty small cable, but about all you would need, I would assume, for just charging these on the side. Like you're going to be like messing with it while it's charging. And then we have in here for the second thing all of the different size replacements for the gel earbud pieces. So whatever size you need, you're probably going to be covered with this. It looks like fits nicely, very nice, comfortable as well. And the left one, they're pretty comfy, man. I could definitely see myself using those for a while. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to the audio quality. Let's be honest. So we'll give that a test in just a second. Let's have a look at the protective case, shall we? I assume this works just the same. Make sure the right way up this time. It doesn't. Does it not? Oh wait, these drop out the back. Of course they would. One time did I think I figured it all out, and I absolutely haven't. So I like this a lot. So this goes around the case, as you can see, just like this. So this changes the style a little bit, but again, you can see on screen the options and the one that I chose. And then in here, we actually have something else. Wow, which is like a little carry cord, which we can attach somewhere to. So this here attaches onto here so that we can carry it around. Okay, so we have the earphones, we have the protective case. Let's take a look at the audio quality and see how they actually sound. So to test the quality, what I decided would be the best way to do this is to test it out in a few ways. One, with music. So I tested it out with my own music, the ones you can hear in the background of the video, and it sounded nice. You could hear the bass, you could hear the highs, the lows. It sounded really good. It was very clean, it was very crisp, beautiful. And then I wanted to try it out with gaming as well, because if I am going to use some earbuds, I want to be able to use them for everything. Like ideally, what I want to be able to do is connect them to my computer, play them, use them for games, use them for streaming, use them for music. And then if I'm going out, the best reason to have earbuds is to just pick them up, put them in the case, and leave, because then when you turn your computer off, they disconnect from that Bluetooth and immediately you can connect them to your phone, right? You can connect them to your phone if you're going to the gym or if you're going fishing, which is where we're going to go to test them again in a little bit. So I started gaming for a little bit, gave them a go, and everything sounded good. In-game sounds sounded perfect. There wasn't like huge latency, which you can quite often get with wireless earbuds like this. Sometimes your game sounds maybe like delayed a little bit, but I didn't notice that at all. So from what I could tell, these were perfectly fine for gaming and really good for audio quality in terms of music. For the price point, these are definitely very affordable earphones for the quality in that sense. However, I wasn't done testing with just like, hey guys, I played a little bit of games and I listened to some music. I wanted to take them out, and they're everyday earbuds. I wanted to test them as an everyday thing, so off we went to do a bit of fishing, or as I sometimes like to call it, removing seaweed from the ocean. So while we're out here fishing, I figured now's probably a really good time to tell you about some of the features for these earbuds. They are dustproof and waterproof. They have active noise cancelling, which works really well. The way active noise cancellation actually works is it uses a microphone to detect background noises and all that sort of stuff, and then it uses the opposite sound waves to reduce the surrounding noise. So it removes all of that sort of thing and keeps it nice, and pretty much just what you're hearing is what you're going to hear. This can be turned on and off very easily just by holding on to the right earbud, because they also have touch panels on each side so you can have controls for them. All of these come in a little leaflet so you can get yourself familiar with them nice and easy, but I'll put them on screen for you. They have up to 32 hours of battery life, so you are going to have a nice easy time of keeping these charged and having use of them for a long amount of time. And Raycon do state that you can get a quick charge for 10 minutes of charging. You should be able to get around 1.5 hours of battery, which is perfect if you just need to pop them on charge and then you head out to the gym or anywhere like fishing, such as myself. Not to mention, these also come with a 30-day risk-free trial, so if you're not happy with them, you can just send them back. And they also have a 1-year warranty. My personal favorite features of these are definitely the fast charging and the long battery life as well, because I'm forever switching in my other earbuds to charge them during streams or whatever I'm doing, because they just don't last as long. However, the life on these is it's not even a problem. And because of what I'm like, I always forget to charge them. So being able to charge them for 10 minutes and still actually get like an hour-and-a-half charge is something I'm gonna appreciate this a lot. So after testing them out and actually realizing how good these are, the battery life is great, the audio quality is great, the overall quality is absolutely awesome for the price point. I very much would recommend these to anybody who are looking to try out using earbuds instead of using a big chunky headset, or if you just need some earbuds for your day-to-day usage. And luckily, Raycon have actually given us a link and a promotion code in the description and the pinned comment, where the first 35 people can get 20% off. So go check it out, and Raycon, thank you so much for sponsoring the video.